Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on game mode on Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. It's important to let everything boot up completely before making any changes to ensure the system is ready to process your adjustments smoothly. Once your PC is fully loaded and ready to go, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon to open it. From there, you'll see a search bar appear. Go ahead and type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your system. When the Settings window opens, you'll notice several categories displayed. Look for and click on the Gaming option. This section is specifically designed to enhance your gaming experience on Windows 11 by optimizing system resources and performance. Once you're in the gaming menu, you'll see several tabs listed on the left-hand side of the window. Navigate to and click on Xbox Game Bar. This feature is what allows you to access game mode quickly and efficiently. Now, within the Xbox Game Bar settings, look for the toggle button that enables the Game Bar features. This toggle is what activates gaming mode for your Windows 11 PC, ensuring that your system prioritizes gaming performance by allocating more resources to your games and minimizing background tasks. Simply switch this toggle to the on position. After you've enabled the Xbox Game Bar, you're all set. Now, whenever you want to activate game mode instantly while playing, all you have to do is press the Xbox button on your controller. This brings up the Game Bar overlay and puts your system into full gaming mode, giving you the best possible performance while you play. And that's it. You've successfully turned on game mode on your Windows 11 computer, and now your gaming sessions will run much smoother with optimized system performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.